Hi everybody, happy Wednesday. Hola a todos, feliz miércoles. Gracias por estar aquí hoy. Thank you for being here today. My name is Dianna. I am a program director at Bryant Elementary. Mi nombre es Miss Dianna. Soy una directora en la escuela Bryant. Y hoy vamos a hacer matemáticas. Today we are going to do some math. So we have grocery math, as you can see here. Tenemos matemáticas del supermercado. Vamos a repasar las sumas, las restas y la multiplicación. We're going to go over addition, subtraction, and multiplication and how you can do this at home. So first, I want to show you what I used. So I've been collecting, and I've been getting a lot of mail, as most of you do. So I've been collecting all of these sales papers. He estado recibiendo mucho correo y he estado colectando todos estos periódicos de las tiendas que han llegado. So it's really awesome to use these because there's a lot of numbers and there's a lot of pictures. Es muy bueno usar esto porque hay muchos números y muchas fotos. Un ejemplo que les voy a dar es que lo que busco son números grandes que son fáciles para ver. So something I look for are big numbers that are easy to see. So this 40 is a great example, and this 27 is another really great example that we can cut out. So for this activity, you're gonna need some sales papers, some scissors, some Ziploc bags or sandwich bags, a notebook, and something to write with, okay? Para esa actividad van a necesitar periódicos de la tienda, 2 bolsas de plástico, un cuaderno o papel y algo con que escribir y tijeras, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out this big 27 because it's a really nice big number and it's very easy to see and I can use it in many, many different ways. So if you have younger children at home, you can also break these numbers up and cut straight through so that you can have a 2 and a 7. So corté este número porque es muy grande y es muy fácil de ver. Si tienen niños menores o más pequeños en primero o segundo grado, lo que pueden hacer es cortar estos dos a la mitad para que tengan un 2 y un 7. Okay? So I have 2 bags. Yo tengo 2 bolsas. Tengo una bolsa con diferentes cosas que corté y tengo otra bolsa con solo números. Okay, so I have 2 bags. I have a bag that's full of just and only numbers. And then I have a second bag that's full of different items that I cut out. Okay, so por ejemplo, en esta bolsa con las cosas que corté, tengo aquí elote. I have corn. Okay, y el elote vale 69 centavos. Okay, I have corn here and the corn is 69 cents each. Okay, en esta bolsa tengo varios números. Tengo un 40, I have a 40. Tengo 27, I have 27. Tengo el número 6, I have the number 6. El número 5, the number 5. And then, what number is this? Can anyone tell me the number? It's 60. Tengo el número 60. So, lo que voy a hacer es que voy a darles 2 diferentes maneras de poder usar estos materiales y estos números. So I'm going to give you 2 different options and ways that you can use all of these numbers. So the first way that we're going to use this is that we are going to make a grocery list by adding different items that we saw. Okay, so you can pick randomly and put these in here. Close your eyes and pick one thing. Look we have all these cleaning supplies. This one is a one that I cut with 4 different items. And I cut this with 4 items because now I get to add all of the 4 items. If you would like to make it a little easier, you can obviously cut them into different things. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to get my paper and I'm going to add all of these up. So we have $5.99. We have $2.99. We have $10.99. And we have $2.99. Okay? So this is a great strategy to use to add all of these numbers. So can you solve this at home? I'm going to give you a few minutes. All right. So let's start. 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. Can you guess what that gives us? It's 36. So I'm going to put my 6 down here. And then I'm going to carry my 3. And then 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. Again, 36. Plus the 3 that we have on top. 36, 37, 38, 39. So I'm going to put a 9. I'm going to add 3 up here. Now we have 2 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3. So we have 2 plus 2, that's 4, plus 5, that's 9, plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we carry the 1. And then 1 plus 1, that equals 2. So we were able to calculate our answer. And what did we get? We got 2,296. So, como pueden ver, usamos todos estos números para sumarlos. Hicimos 9 más 9 más 9 más 9 eran 36. Pusimos el 6 aquí, subimos el 3. Y después sumamos otra vez 9 más 9 más 9 más 9 más 3 otra vez, que nos dio 39. Entonces pusimos nuestro 9 y nuestro 3 acá arriba. Después sumamos 2 más 2 más 5 más 3 y nos dio 12. Entonces escribimos nuestro 2 aquí y el 1. Y después sumamos 1 más 1 que son 2. Okay? Now, it is up to you whether you just want to add or if you want to use this like money. If you want to use this like money, all you need to do is add your decimal. So, si quieren usar esto como cantidades de dinero, lo único que tienen que hacer es agregar su puntito. Ahora, en vez de 2,296, tienen $22.96. So now instead of having 2,296, you turn it into $22.96. So, to buy all of these things, how much money would we need? $22.96. So that is one way to use this grocery math. Another way that you can do this is selecting something like this. So as you can see, these are some flowers. And how much is each flower? It's $5, or it's the number 5. And what we could do is then in our other bag with the numbers, we can say, okay, we have number 5. And let me pick a random number. Let's see what we get. We got the number 6. Okay, so now what we could do is if we want 6 flowers, how many times do we need to write the number 5? 6 times. So maybe I want to buy 6 flowers because I'm going to give one to my teacher, I'm going to give one to my mom, I'm going to give one to my grandma, I'm going to give one to a friend, okay? Ahora, otra estrategia que usamos fue que escogimos una de las cosas que tenemos de la tienda en esa bolsita. Escogimos esas flores que cuestan $5 o solamente el número 5. Y después escogimos un número de nuestra bolsa de números y nos tocó el número 6. O sea, ahora, ¿cuántas veces tengo que sumar el número 5? 6 veces. So, ahora lo vamos a escribir. Tenemos 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So we got 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Now you can add this at home, or if you are in 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade, what would you do with what would you do with the number 5? And what would you do with the number 6? Multiply it. So, si están en tercero, cuarto o quinto grado, lo único que tienen que hacer es en vez de sumar todos los números, los van a multiplicar. So, esto es lo mismo que esto. Okay? So, if my first, second graders add all of these fives, you're going to get the same answer as 5 times 6, which is, I'll give you some time to think about it. It is 30. La respuesta es 30. So if I buy 6 of these flowers, si compro 6 ramos de flores que cuestan $5 cada uno, if each one is worth 5, how much do I need? $30. I need 30. Okay? We get 30 out of this. So it's a really great way to be able to use all of these numbers and items that are coming in the mail and using it as a way to continue learning math. You can add different things. So if you want to buy a turkey or a chicken, if you want to buy a chicken, then you pick a random number. How many pounds does this chicken weigh? We got 50. Oh my goodness, that is a big chicken. So then what you would do is you would you would multiply 88 by 50 and challenge yourselves. Or if that number was too big, you could pick a different number. That's okay. We got the number 1. 88 times 1 would equal 88. So una gran estrategia que pueden usar es cortar diferentes cosas que ven en el periódico que les interesan. Por ejemplo, este pollo. Este pollo vale 88 centavos la libra. Pero después pueden escoger un número y a ver cuántas libras pesa el pollo. 10. Entonces multiplican 88 por 10 y calculan qué les dio. Ahora, si no quieren usar todas estas cositas, if you don't want to use all these materials, corten los números. Just simply cut the numbers. And you can pick different numbers to just add together or multiply or subtract. If we got 60, we can pick just another number from the number bag. We got the number 50 again. So then I would subtract 60 from 50. Go 60 minus 50. So, otra estrategia que pueden usar es escogiendo solamente números de la bolsa de números. Si no quieren cortar diferentes cositas del supermercado, solamente corten los números y escojan 2 números para restar, multiplicar o sumar. Por ejemplo, ahorita sacamos este número y sacamos 50, entonces lo estamos restando. ¿Qué nos da? ¿Cuál es la respuesta? So did you figure it out already? 60 minus 50 nos da 10. It gives us 10. So please make sure that you have a number bag and that you have an item bag. But again, if you don't want to cut the items, just cut the numbers out. There's a lot of different numbers that come in the sales paper. Hay muchos números que vienen en el periódico del supermercado o de la tienda. And have fun with it. ¿Qué cocinan en la casa? What do you cook at home? Maybe you want to get some cheese, or you want to cut some pizza. Okay? This is another great example that you can use. And you can teach at home also what does it mean when it says a 2 and a 10 or 2 for 10. Okay? Esta es otra gran estrategia que pueden usar. Pueden enseñarles qué significa cuando dice 2 por 10. Okay? ¿Cada pizza vale $10? No. Okay? Pero lo que pueden hacer es decir, ok, si queremos, agarran 2 pizzas por $10. If you get 2 pizzas for $10, how much would we need to get 4 pizzas? Okay? So nomás sumarían 10 más 10. Y para 4 pizzas nos cuesta $20. For 4 pizzas, it's $20. Okay? But we're only reviewing addition, subtraction, and multiplication, but you can easily do division as well. So if 2 pizzas are $10, how much is each one worth? And divide 10 by 2. So, también, aunque nomás ahorita estamos repasando multiplicación, sumas y restas, pueden repasar división. Si por dos pizzas cuesta $10, ¿cuánto vale cada pizza? Y dividen 10 por 2. And so each pizza will be worth 5. Okay? So, miren los periódicos, miren los números. Acuérdense que una gran cosa para hacer es escoger los números que son grandes para que los puedan ver claramente y los puedan usar y los niños los puedan sumar, restar, multiplicar. Remember, keep an eye out for the numbers, okay? It's using big numbers that are nice and bold, that are easy to see, are super helpful, but that are also very clear to use. And you can use these to add, subtract, multiply, divide, anything. So keep an eye out. Remember, the numbers are everywhere. Los números están en todos lados. Por favor, úsenlos, córtenlos, and use them to your advantage. Thank you for joining us today. We hope to see you soon. Gracias por estar aquí hoy y los vemos pronto. Adiós.